Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an intriguing and fascinating topic to explore: the mind-body connection. Have you ever wondered how your thoughts and emotions impact your physical well-being, or how your physical health can affect your mental state? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll delve deep into the mind-body connection, uncovering its secrets and exploring the incredible ways our thoughts and bodies are interconnected. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the details, let's establish a clear understanding of what the mind-body connection actually is. The mind-body connection refers to the complex interplay between our thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and our physical health. It suggests that our mental and emotional state can significantly influence our physical well-being, and vice versa. A loop between the brain and the body, showing how emotions and thoughts affect physical health, which, in turn, feeds back into our mental state. The power of positive thinking. One of the most significant aspects of the mind-body connection is the power of positive thinking. Numerous studies have shown that a positive mindset can have profound effects on our overall health. When we maintain an optimistic outlook, our brain releases endorphins, dopamine, and serotonin, neurotransmitters that promote feelings of happiness and reduce stress, highlighting the chemical release in the brain when positive thoughts occur. Personal stories or examples of individuals who experienced improvements in their health by adopting a positive mindset. The impact of stress on health. On the other side of the spectrum, we have stress, an inevitable part of life. But did you know that chronic stress can wreak havoc on both our minds and bodies? Prolonged stress leads to increased cortisol levels, which can weaken the immune system, disrupt sleep, and cause various physical and mental health issues, illustrating the effects of cortisol on different organs and systems in the body. Breathing exercises, meditation, physical activity, and other stress management techniques. How emotions affect physical health. Emotions are powerful signals from our minds that can manifest as physical sensations in our bodies. When we experience strong emotions like anger, fear, or sadness, our bodies respond by triggering various physiological reactions. Visual representation of how different emotions influence specific parts of the body. The healing power of emotions. Exploring research on how positive emotions and emotional expression can lead to better healing and recovery. Enhancing the mind-body connection. Now that we understand the significance of the mind-body connection, how can we enhance it to improve our overall well-being? Regular exercise and its positive effects on both mental and physical health. Mindfulness and its role in promoting awareness and self-regulation. The importance of a balanced diet in supporting brain health and emotional stability. The mind-body connection is a profound and fascinating concept that reminds us of the incredible power we have to influence our own health and happiness. By nurturing positive thoughts, managing stress, and embracing emotional well-being, we can create a more harmonious relationship between our minds and bodies. So, if you found this video enlightening, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and remember, a healthy mind and a healthy body go hand in hand. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.